Assalamu alaikum, 8th class. Welcome in third semester subject science. Hope you are all fine. So let's start our 13, 14, 15 and 16th day lecture. Today we are going to start our new chapter, unit number 13. Unit 13, modern technology and space travel. Modern means jadid, technology and space means khala, travel means safar. Every minute of the day, all over the world, messages are being sent and received. There are different ways by which messages are received. The radio, television, cassette player, etc. can play back recorded messages. Pegamat messages can be sent as well as received by telephone. Sending and receiving messages is called communication. In the older days, people sent messages over long distances by beating drums, flashing lights, or by making smoke signals. Signals means ishara. Here are the words meaning of unit number 13, modern technology and space travel. First word is invention. Invention means ijad, telecommunication, muwaslat, diaphragm, पर्दा शिकम, artificial, मसनूई, incredible, नाकाबिले यकीन, appointment, तैनाती, स्कैनिंग, जांच करते हुए, फोरकास्टिंग, दूर अंदेशी करना, कंपार्टमेंट, खाना, हिस्सा, ऑक्सीडाइजर, ऑक्सीजन मिलाने वाला, प्रेशियस मीन्स बेशकीमत, इंटीग्रेट यकजा कर, एम्प्लीफिकेशन फैलाओ, सिग्नल्स इशारे, बिल्ड तामीर किया हुआ. एंड हियर आर द CNC विच इज़ 53. Unit 13, modern technology and space travel, page number 108. Short question answer. Question number 1, what is transmitter? Answer, a transmitter is an electronic device used in telecommunications to produce radio waves in order to transmit or send data with the aid of an antenna. Next question, what is amplifier? The part of the radio that makes the signal stronger is called amplifier. Next question, what are sound waves? Answer, a sound wave is the pattern of disturbance caused by the movement of energy traveling through a medium such as air and water as it propagates away from the source of the sound. Next question, what is diaphragm? The earpiece of the telephone contains a thin iron plate called a diaphragm. Next question, what are optical fibers? Answer, the glass tubes that carry laser light are called optical fibers. They are very thin, they are lighter and smaller than telephones, cables, and are being used instead of wires in telephone network. Next question, what is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is a reaction in which the nucleus of an atom splits into two or more smaller nuclei. Next question, what is artificial satellite? An artificial satellite is man-made body placed in orbit around the earth or an other planet in order to collect information about it or for communication purposes. And here are the CNC which is 140. Question number 1, what is telecommunication? Name various modes of telecommunication in use today. Telecommunication, sending and receiving messages over long distances is called telecommunication. The various modes of telecommunication uses nowadays are radio, wireless, fax and television, telegraph, electronic mail, satellite telephone. Question number 2, what inventions marked the beginning of modern telecommunication? The invention of the telegraph in the 1850s marked the beginning of modern telecommunication. Next question number 3, how is sound carried from one telephone to another? When you speak in the mouthpiece of a telephone, the sound waves of your voice make the diaphragm vibrate very fast. As the diaphragm moves inwards, it pushes the carbon granules behind the plate close together. This allows an electric current becomes weaker. These changes in the electric current make the current flow to the carpiece of the other telephone along a wire, where the above procedure is reversed and the sound waves can be heard. Here are the CNC which is 169. Question number 4, what are radio waves? How are sound waves carried from the radio station to our radio sets? Answer, radio waves are electric signals that can travel over long distances through empty space. They travel at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second. As the radio station, there is a transmitter which is connected to an aerial. The transmitter makes a radio signal which the aerial sends out. The main part of the radio signals is called the carrier wave. As radio waves travel away from the transmitter, they grew weaker. They are made stronger by the amplifier in the receiver radio set. Question number 5. How do we see pictures on our television set? A television camera turns light and sound waves into electric signals. It scans the pictures which appear on our television screen. The television area receives radio waves from the transmitter, which are turned into electric signal. A tuner selects a signal which is then split into sound and picture signals. Here are the CNC, which is 143. Question number 6. What is laser light? A laser light is a concentrated beam of light which can travel long distances. It can also travel down glass tubes carrying messages from one place to another. Question number 7. What is optical fiber? The thin glass tubes which carry laser light are called optical fiber. They can carry more messages than a wire. Next, question number 8. What is a computer? Describe a nuclear reactor. Answer. A computer is a machine that can be used to do many different types of work. A computer is a computer is a part of a computer system which needs an output device such as a keyboard or mouse with which we can feed in data, programmers, and an output devices or monitor which gives us the result on a screen. And here are the CNC, which is 107. Question number 9. How is nuclear energy produced? Describe a nuclear reactor. First of all, we have to study the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is produced by nuclear fusion. The nucleus of an atom of a metal called uranium can be split into two. Some of its neutrons escape and crash into other uranium atoms, causing them to split. This splitting process releases huge amount of energy. Next is a nuclear reactor. A nuclear reactor controlled nuclear fusion is done in a special container called a nuclear reactor. Uranium is packed in stainless steel tubes. Inside the reactor, there are a large number of fast-moving neutrons which are absorbed by the uranium atoms, and their nuclei are split to release energy. The heat given out during fission is carried away by a cooling fluid called coolant. The coolant becomes hot and is used to produce steam in a boiler. The steam is used to generate electricity in a generator. Here is the diagram of a nuclear reactor, and you have to make this diagram with this question. Next question, write short notes on the following. First is rocket fuel. Space rockets use liquid oxygen as fuels. Most of the space inside the rocket is taken up by two storage tanks are for the fuel and the other for the oxidizer. Next is spacesuits. Astronauts wear special clothes called spacesuits, which are made up of several layers of materials to protect them when they spacewalk. Next is life support system. The spacecraft has a life support system which provides the astronauts with air, food, and water. Next is mission control. The main communication center for human flights in space is called the mission control, by which astronauts keep in contact with scientists on Earth. Next is re-entry. The return of the spacecraft back to Earth is called re-entry. It is the most dangerous time for the astronauts. There is friction between the air and the spacecraft as it re-enters the atmosphere. And here are the CNC, which is 210. That's all about today's working. Hope you understand that what I teach you today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.